Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have something different. I don't even know what it's going to be called. I'm going to do a quick Valentine's Day makeup look. This pink eye look here, which is actually really bold. Like on camera it doesn't look that bold though. It's just like, okay, if you're gonna have like a bold eye look, you have to have like a nude lip to kind of calm it down a little bit. But I have a more bold eyeshadow look for you guys, but I also wanted to feature two affordable and beginner friendly wig options for you guys. I want to try on the half wig that I have for you guys first, do my makeup, show you a little bit about it, and then tell you about this one. So yeah, you don't have to spend a lot of money to look good. You guys should know that, especially if you've been subscribed to my channel for a long time. I have all price points on my channel, but this one is going to be both affordable and beginner friendly. You're gonna have an option that is a half wig if you're really into the headband wigs, the half wigs, and this is a option that is a lace part wig, one of the throwback ones that's still very beginner friendly. It's just about $10 more, and you just have to put in a little bit more effort than the half wig. So if you are interested in this video, keep on watching and I'll see you guys at the end. I am gonna do my wig first and then my makeup because I bought this headband off of Amazon probably in December because I was like, this will be perfect for a Valentine's Day look. So that I got from Amazon. It'll be linked in my Amazon storefront. But as far as my wig, I am going to be wearing OUTRE's half wig LYNDI. So I saw this wig on Is That Your Hair, and Miss Chrissy had it on her channel as well, and I was like, let me go ahead and pick that up. So this is what LYNDI looks like on the stock cards. She's very pretty, and the reason why I wanted to pick her up is because she looked pretty yucky. And this is a number 2, but you can see it has that nice natural luster to it. I have already slicked my edges back a little bit, and we're gonna see. I usually only use the comb in the back. I don't use the ones up front because you can get breakage, but I might actually use the combs and tuck the combs underneath the wig grip. I usually just sit the wig on top of the wig grip and don't use the combs at all, but it's up to you. But just know if you do that every day, you'll start to get breakage. Let's see how this looks. This feels very soft. Oh, that's cute. I feel like a sexy vampire right now. Okay, I'm taking the P. Louise Rumor 02 base and I'm gonna put it on my lid. I was gonna wear red lipstick, but then I was like, let me try it on my lids because I've seen people do that. So I'm taking the Cherry Blossom liquid lipstick from Color RAINE, and that is gonna be my base, just so I have like a nice red base going on. I'm gonna take the Crayon Case Matte Book. I actually had this in my declutter stash, but it actually has a lot of good stuff in here. I'm gonna set my lids with this red color right here. I'm gonna start to pack this dark color here in my crease. I'm not gonna blend it out. I'm just gonna be packing it in there and in my outer corner. Did I do that? I think I went back in here and packed that on top of it. I am gonna go into the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I bought this a couple years ago, and I'm going to use the shade New Money, which is this pink shade, and I'm going to put that on my lid. That's going to give it the more pink look. I don't like for my eyeshadow to come in too far So I'm gonna put some concealer right there and kind of blend that out just to diffuse it, because I don't want it to come in too far. And then the shade Rich Girl, which is at the top, I'm going to use that in like the inner part of my lid. I'm going to do my eyeliner and my lashes and I'll be back. Alright, so I use LA Girl Shockwave Neon Lip Liner as a, you know, in my waterline. Okay, let's see what foundations we have on hand. So I used this e.l.f. Camo CC Cream in my last drugstore video that I posted earlier this week. Really liked it. But I also picked up Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Foundation. It's full coverage, protective makeup with sunscreen, and it has SPF 50 in it. So I have it in Toffee, so we'll see what this shade looks like on my complexion. So this doesn't have a pump like the e.l.f. one. I really like the e.l.f. one. I might switch if I don't like this. It seems like it's going to be watery. I probably have to shake it. Oh, so this says formulated with antioxidants to help protect skin from environmental aggressors. Okay. Oh, this looks like this might be a good shade match. Yeah, that's good. That is going to be great. I had a few people recommend this foundation to me. Let's blend it out. And I'm using this expert face brush from Real Techniques. Oh, it has good coverage. Wow. Wow, this has really good coverage. I don't think it says what kind of finish it has. It's in the JUVIA'S Place Concealer in J13. Alright guys, so I have finished my makeup look. It is very bold. If you're somebody who likes like simple makeup, basic makeup, I did just do a drugstore makeup look that was very neutral. Watch that video. But I'm not going to do the same basic makeup looks every time I do makeup, so look at that video. I am wearing OUTRE's LYNDI in a color number 2. I have it on with the headband, and this is a good option for you guys if you're somebody who likes half wigs. I am going to try on, I think I'm going to put on FOLAMI in a color number 2 just because I haven't worn that since I reviewed it last year, and I think that's a good option for Valentine's Day. This one runs you about $17–18, somewhere around there, depending on what website that you go to, and you can just pair it with a cute festive headband, and I just think it's super cute, and a nice affordable look. So here is option 1 for you guys. The cap size is very comfortable. I love that it has a low luster to it, and this is very beginner friendly and easy. All half wigs are. If you want to watch my other synthetic half wigs with headbands videos, you can watch those on my headband wig playlist, with part 1 through 4. You can check out if you're just interested in the synthetic ones. And of course, I have the human hair headband wigs on the playlist. So, you know, I have a little something for everybody on my channel. So I'm gonna switch into FOLAMI and see what she gives. And I don't think I'm gonna wear it with a headband. I'm just doing this look with a headband. So you guys decide, tell me which look would you go for, the headband wig look or FOLAMI. Alright guys, so I am back and I have on FOLAMI. I did spray down the part just because I wanted it to be nice and flat and everything. So just a reminder, I'm not going to do a full review on this because I have a full review on this wig already. But this does have a small cap, so if you have a bigger head, it might be uncomfortable for you. I have a large head, 23 inches in circumference, but I'm still going to wear this. I think it's very beautiful. It has a gorgeous luster. I have always loved a swoop moment like this. That's why I loved Model's Blue Meadow so much back in the day. This is like longer than Blue Meadow, and to me it's not as it's still very thick, but it's not like as voluminous, and it's stunning. I think this is about 26 inches. I'm 6 feet tall. So this is romantic Valentine's Day hair, special occasion hair here. I don't have on a black shirt, but you can still see it. This is beautiful. So you have 2 affordable and beginner friendly wig options here for Valentine's Day or whenever. So with this one, I'm pretty sure it's $26 and it's very beginner friendly. So I feel like this gives like a frontal look or like a sew-in closure look, and it's super easy. All you have to worry about is this part. And I brought out some of my edges because this is an older wig, so the hairline's not going to look super natural. And when you do stuff like that, it makes your wig look more natural. But if you suffer from hair loss, you don't have to do that. You can just blend your part in space and go on about your business. But I really do like FOLAMI. I think she is gorgeous. So you guys tell me down below, which look would you go for Valentine's Day? Would you go for easy slay with, well, both of these are easy slays. Would you go with OUTRE LYNDI, the half wig with the cute headband, or would you go with FOLAMI? I think I'm rolling with FOLAMI. I'm going to be wearing this probably for the rest of the day. I think it's just so pretty. Ugh, and I just love black hair. Like, I love it. It's so pretty. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Drop me some comments down below if you like this kind of, I don't even know what this is. This is just giving you guys options for like a cute little bold makeup look and 2 wigs. Like, I don't know what this is called, but you guys tell me down below if you would like more stuff like this in the future. I can make it happen. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I would like to hit 200K this year. That would be really dope. So help me get there. Subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.